Hi guys, this is Michael from Theme Canon, and in this video I'll show you how to work with the Trades page builder. I will assume for this video that you've already installed the Trades theme as well as the demo content so that we have something to work with. To get us acquainted with the page builder, we will be building a copy of the home page that we featured on our previous site. To start us off, we first need to create an empty page builder template. Then we will attach that template to a page, and finally we will put that page in our menu so that we can access it. Let's open up the page builder and have a look. To the left you have your template controls. This is where you manage your page builder templates. Underneath you have the add block button, which you will use to add content to your template. To the right is the template canvas, where you can see all the blocks that you currently have in your template. So let's go ahead and create a new template. Give it a name. And save changes. Alright, so we now have an empty page builder template. Let's go ahead and put it on a page. Go to Pages, Add New, let's give it a name, and in the Page Template select, choose Page Builder. In the Page Builder Template select our new duplicate homepage template, and Publish. Finally, we have to add this page to our menu so that we can access it. Go to Appearance, Menus, select My Duplicate Homepage, and Add to Menu. Save the menu, and return to Front. When we visit our new page, you'll see a notice telling you that there are no blocks in your page builder template. So let's go back to our page builder and start adding some blocks. Now at this point, let's open up our preview site so that we can see what we're trying to build. Alright, so the first element on the home page is a slider. Let's go to our page builder, add block, and select a revolution slider. Now this block only takes one parameter, which is the alias of your slider. Now we already have a slider named homepage, so this will work out of the box. Let's go back to the front and reload the page. And there you have your first block on the page, the revolution slider. Okay, so the next element is this area with 3 different columns. This is actually a customizable widgets block. If you look closely, you'll notice that this actually has a 4-column layout, where the first column is 1/4, the next column takes up half of the total width, or 2 columns, and the last column is also 1/4. So let's go back to our page builder and add a widgets block. Let's find the layout called 4th, half, 4th. Set the widget areas to use custom widget area 1, 2, and 3. And save. Now with Trades you can set up an endless number of widget areas, but we've pre-made 3 custom ones to get you started, so those are the ones that we'll be using in this tutorial. Return to the front and you'll see our widgets area with a notice to please go ahead and add widgets. So we will go to Appearance, Widgets. The first widget is a standard text widget, so let's go ahead and add this. And I'll just go ahead and copy paste some text content to the widget, like that, and save. The second widget is an accordion widget. Again, copy pasting content, And the final widget is a single post widget. Let's return to the front and see what we have. Alright, the next element on the preview homepage is a text block. Let's go ahead and add one. Notice that you can collapse blocks by clicking on the title bar. Let's change the content to be the same as on our preview site. Okay, let's see what we have. Looks close, but we are missing the background. So let's go back, and in the block appearance tab, select a background image. Let's change the parallax ratio and set the font color to white. Go to front and update. Pretty close now, but we need to make this section a little bit higher if we want to make it look like the one we have on our preview site. So let's go back and in the Advanced tab, give this block a class, and let's add a bit of extra padding. And there you have it. Okay, so under the text section we have a latest news section. Now this can be created by adding a featured posts block. Now as you can see, the featured posts block has quite a number of settings you can adjust. However, all our blocks have default content to ensure that you will always get some kind of output. So let's see what happens if we just save the default block and return to the front end. And there you go. It's as easy as that to add new blocks. Alright, next block on our preview homepage is a carousel. Let's change the title. Select the portfolio category. Let's only display header and featured image and deselect all other components. Set number of items to 8. Turn off pagination. And in the block appearance tab, let's add a background color. And there is your carousel. Final block on the page is our posts graph. The post graph block will display posts along an X and a Y axis. In this case, we will display posts by chronology on the X-axis, and we will make the Y-axis display the number of comments. Let's select the trending category and set the Y-axis to represent the number of comments. Let's also set a background. And change the main color. Alright, there you have it. The more comments a post has, the higher it will be positioned. Now this is a great way to keep track of what posts are trending on your site. And that's basically it. We've now created a duplicate of our previous site homepage, and I hope this will have served as an introduction to our page builder. As you've seen in this tutorial, you can not only build your pages using any combination of page builder blocks, but you are also able to customize each block either by changing the block settings, or for more advanced users you can add classes to a block and use CSS to modify these classes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you will enjoy our theme. See you soon.